Ochieng. Okenge mosego e kedo gi landruok mar kute mag ayaki nigi kibaji gi sani kaluwore kod nok mar yedhe mag landruok mag kute mag ayaki kowuok kuom miyo mapek nyaka kuom nyathine. Maeri en kaluwore gi nok mar yath mar Neviparine e klinik mayudore ka thieth maduong' ma Ramogi Oginga Teaching and Referral Hospital. Pek medore kaluwore kod ng'ado oko sir ma sekta mar thieth osebedo ka yudo kowuok kuom josil lwedo mar gayo kute mag ayaki. Kar kamano, kaunti ma Kisumo opuo kod piny mar Amerika kaluwore kod okenge ma giseketo mar kedo gi landruok mag kute mag ayaki.
I just really appreciated the stories of those who were suffering, 10, 15 years ago, but found their way through these important programs. And they're living healthy lives, they're being educated, they're earning money. And I do think, as Dr. Richard just said to me, this is the generation that is going to help us continue on our incredible path to reducing HIV prevalence, to having babies who are HIV negative. And again, we're just really grateful.
So we are still working hard towards, as you heard, that we are at 98% suppression rate. Almost everyone is suppressed. We are still achieving that zero viral load transmission to our children. So we are preparing them, and as they take their medications well, you find that they will not be able to transmit however much the Neviparine is out of stock.
Our patients, those who probably even now have cancers, those who have got other conditions like, diabetes, those who have got hypertension, all those kind of other conditions, auxiliary conditions, with HIV, we manage them here.